Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to show you how to identify the given salt for one acidic and one basic radical. This is your given salt and it is reddish brown colored, and you can see there is moisture also around it. It means it has absorbed moisture from the surrounding. This kind of salts are called deliquescent salt. Take a small amount of the given salt in a test tube and prepare its solution in water. The salt gets dissolved and we get a brown colored solution. This reddish brown color only indicates that it contains ferric ions in it. We will divide this solution into 3 equal parts. Take the first part of the solution and add sodium hydroxide solution to it. On adding sodium hydroxide, we get a reddish brown precipitate. If a reddish brown precipitate is obtained, it means the given salt contains ferric ions, because ferric ions, when they react with sodium hydroxide, ferric hydroxide is formed, and this ferric hydroxide, being insoluble, settles in the form of reddish brown precipitate. We can test the solubility of this in excess of sodium hydroxide. If we add excess of sodium hydroxide to it, it is insoluble. It means ferric hydroxide is insoluble in excess of sodium hydroxide. Take second part of the solution and add ammonium hydroxide to it. With ammonium hydroxide also, it gives a reddish brown precipitate, and this reddish brown precipitate is also insoluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Let us test with that. Here, if we add excess of ammonium hydroxide, it is not dissolving. So a reddish brown precipitate which is insoluble in excess of sodium hydroxide or ammonium hydroxide indicate that the given salt contains ferric ions. Let us test for anion or acidic radical. For that, take the third part of the solution and add silver nitrate solution to it. On adding silver nitrate solution, we get a white precipitate. We can test the solubility of this white precipitate in excess of ammonium hydroxide. It gets dissolved, white precipitate gets dissolved in excess of ammonium hydroxide. White precipitate which we are getting, that is silver chloride. On adding silver nitrate, if we get a white precipitate, it is silver chloride. Silver chloride forms a complex with ammonium hydroxide to form diamine silver chloride, and this diamine silver chloride being soluble, it gives a transparent solution. So it confirms presence of chloride ions. In this way, in the given salt, cation is ferric and anion is chloride, because we are getting a white precipitate of silver chloride.